Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is FABRICA. Welcome to Global Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about how to double your creative FABRICA sales or how to double your creative FABRICA profit, revenue, whatever you call it. So we're going to talk about some tips and tricks and also how I did double my creative FABRICA income. So I'm going to be talking about all that thing in this video. So let's dive in. Before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, because whenever we upload video, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, you can check the free resources. The link is in description box below to help you make more money. Or you could simply go to our website, that's globocreative.com, for the graphics, for the KDP interiors, for the patterns. A lot more is there on that website. You can very well check that website out. Soon we are going to start with exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. Right now it's kept on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will going to send you each and every week exclusive content regarding making money online in your email inbox. So consider subscribing. The link is in the description box below. It's 100% free. Let's talk about my Creative FABRICA journey so far, how I doubled my income on Creative FABRICA, and also I'm going to be sharing my own tips with you guys to help you double your own Creative FABRICA income, to increase your income on Creative FABRICA each month. For those of you guys who don't know, I started with my Creative FABRICA shop, I think it was back in the May or June of 2020. So it's almost more than a year. I have made a bunch of the videos talking about how much I made in the first month and getting 150 plus sales, and a lot more videos about the Creative FABRICA. So I'm going to leave the complete playlist. If you haven't checked it so far, in the card section above, you can check it out if you don't know much about it. But guys, I started back in the May and June of 2020, and then it is 1.5 years around. Like in the beginning, I was having very few products, then I was slightly increasing my inventory, uploading more products and so on and so forth. And recently from 2 or 3 months, I've seen a great increase in my sales, increase in my profit. Now, if you go to the reporting section of the Creative FABRICA, you only get the single sales reporting. But if someone is purchasing your product or actually downloading your product in the subscription, then you won't be able to see that. And also the recurring income that you want to get, the more you upload, the more you get from the Creative FABRICA. So basically the 3 types of income are there. I have also made a video talking about explaining in depth about that. So I'm going to leave that in the card section above. You can check it out. But from few months, it has been double. Like I was almost making $100 each month from my Creative FABRICA. But from few months, it just doubled to almost $200 without the holiday season. Now currently the holiday season will going to pick up in the November and December. So let's see how it will going to go in November and December. But from 2 or 3 months, it just doubled from $100 to $200. And I'm gonna share some of the tips with you guys to help you actually increase your revenue Creative FABRICA. So let's talk. First tip and trick that I have for you guys is to have actually a proper niche based shop. That is really important. Rather than a general shop, rather than having jumping all your graphics, all your patterns like that only, have a proper bio, have a proper icon, that is your shop icon, and a proper banner, and introduce you people and tell the people what are you gonna sell in your shop or what they can expect from your shop, so that it will going to likely to increase your followers onto the Creative FABRICA shop. Yes, if you are a shop on, if you are having a shop or if you are a designer on Creative FABRICA, then you very well know that there is a follower option and there is a favorite option. Both are there on Creative FABRICA. The more follower you have, the more it will going to likely increase your chances to get the more sales when you are uploading a new product onto the Creative FABRICA, because those people get an email when you upload a new product on your shop. The followers, the people that are following you will going to get an email saying that you have uploaded a new product onto the Creative FABRICA shop. So it will more likely to increase your sales, increase your revenue. So that is the huge benefit of having a followers, having a favorites on your Creative FABRICA shop. And the only way to actually stick with that and to slowly increase your followers, your favorites, is to have a niche based shop. Of course, you can pick up 2 or 3 kind of niches in your shop. You can have a variety of products in your shop, but kind of like all your products should be related to each other. It's not like one day you're uploading an embroidery file and another day you're uploading something very completely different from that embroidery stuff. So you need to kind of have a correlation with that. In fact, if you're uploading 2 or 3 different products, for example, if you're uploading a KDP interiors, you're also uploading the fonts, you're also uploading the graphics or illustration, then please mention that particular thing in your bio, in your shop banner, so that people know what to expect from your shop, so they are more likely to follow your shop. So whenever you are uploading new products onto the Creative Fabrica, they are more likely to buy from your shop because they know that you are producing such kind of content and uploading on Creative Fabrica. So they can expect to purchase that, or they expect to download that if they are having a subscription. So mention in your bio, in your banner, what is your shop all about. If you're uploading 2 or 3 products, then mention that as well. This is the first step, and this is really important because I've seen it's working for me, and also it's working for other people or for other artists as well, who is my friend and who opened the shop after talking to me about the Creative Fabrica. They got an approval as well, and they are also making the money on Creative Fabrica. So this thing, I see that it's working well. Having a proper bio, having a proper shop banner will really going to help you in the long run to get the more followers. And second tip I have for you guys, it's also related to the first tip but a little bit different. Have a more than one product option. Now I have talked already about niche based shops, so you would be thinking, okay, I am creating a watercolor texture, so I'm gonna only upload the watercolor texture. No guys, you could upload the watercolor illustration as well, watercolor fonts as well, watercolor splashes, watercolor brushes. There is a lot more that you could upload if you are just picking up a simple niche that is a watercolor. So uploading 2 or 3 products that are in different categories, it will really going to help you get good sales. Like for my shop, I upload the KDP interiors. I also upload the fonts because I create these fonts and I love creating the fonts. So I create them on a monthly basis and I keep on uploading the new fonts. Then I also upload the textures, patterns, graphics, illustrations as well. I also upload the SVG files because I love making these craft files. So I have a lot more than 2 or 3 products in my shop, but I have mentioned that clearly in my bio, clearly in my shop banner, that what I'm going to upload on my shop and what people can expect from your shop. So that's why people are more likely to follow me and to get the sales when I'm uploading new product by themselves, because those were the people who were going to get an email notification whenever you are uploading new product onto the Creative Fabrica. They're gonna get an email, hey, the designer that you're following have uploaded a new product, check that out. So it's more likely to convert, guys. So think about that. So having a 2 or 3 different kinds of product, different varieties, can lend you into good shape because people can expect, okay, this is this kind of niche. They are uploading only watercolor, so that means the watercolor graphics, illustrations, patterns, textures, brushes, watercolor printables or planners or KDP interiors, watercolor related, that they can expect from your shop. All these tips, guys, I'm sharing in this video are completely based on my own experience and my own knowledge with my own shop. Okay, I've seen what's working for me and that's what I'm sharing in this video. So hopefully it will going to help you as well. Let's move on to the third tip that I have for you guys. Try to upload product as a freebies in your shop. I do that often, guys, and when I see that some kind of a sale is there or some kind of offer is there on Creative Fabrica, then I get the more favorites for my freebies in comparison to the products that are in the paid plan or that are in the paid version. So try to often upload more freebies as much as you can. It will going to help you get more followers, new visitors on your shop, because people, when they land onto the Creative Fabrica, they do click on the freebies, and everyone loves freebies. Who don't love a freebies? Like if you are going for your own Black Friday shopping or Cyber Monday shopping, and if someone is giving you something for free, you are more likely to get that perk first rather than going for any other perk. It's quite obvious. People love the freebies. Everyone loves the freebies. So whenever someone is landing onto the Creative Fabrica shop, they're going to check the freebie section. And when you are creating or uploading a product as a freebie often in your shop, then people will going to see, oh, hey, this is a new shop. Let's just look at this new shop. I like that freebie. So let's check that new shop. And when they're going to land on your shop, they are more likely to follow you or actually get more stuff from your shop and purchase your paid products as well. So upload product more as a freebie as often as you can. There is no rule that you need to upload like 5 products out of the 10 product as a freebie. There is no such rule like that. You can actually experiment with that and see what's worked for you, and then multiply on that which is working well for you. Another tip I have for you is to duplicate on what's already working for you. I do get the weekly roundup emails from the Creative Fabric. As a designer, they do send up the weekly roundup emails telling them how many favorites we have, how many followers we gain in this week, and also which of the product get us more favorites or any reviews or anything like that. They do send us an email. But please guys, do your own analysis. I know that many people are afraid of doing the numbers. They are afraid to actually look at the numbers, but you really need to be a good friend with the numbers. Pass all your limiting beliefs regarding the numbers. Oh, I'm afraid to see the numbers. No, just be okay with that and try to analyze your shop at least on a 15 days basis or maybe a monthly basis to see which of your product is getting more favorites, more reviews, more likes or something like that, and see for that, and then see that this kind of product is getting you more sales. You're going to see your single sales in your reporting section, so you could see the sales, the reviews and the favorites, and then see that okay, this kind of product is working well on my shop, to duplicate or multiply on this product and make more such product in my shop to get them more sales. Because every shop on every platform is unique, guys. The things that working for me may not be working for you. Because if I tell you that hey, upload KDP interior onto the Creative Fabrica, you're gonna get multiple sales, it may work for some people, but it may not be working for some people. So it's not a general rule. It's not a one fit box reply that hey, upload this kind of product to get the more sales or kind of like that. No, the thing that is already working for your shop, you need to double down on that to get the more sales. That is the real secret. Because people are coming onto your shop to actually purchase or put your products in favorites or whatever it is for that particular product. So if you are creating variations of that, if you're creating more types or related to that particular theme, if you're uploading more products, then obviously people will going to land more on your shop. They are more likely to convert. Also, they are gonna follow you for the future upcoming related products like that, and a lot more is there. So see what's working for your shop and then actually double down and duplicate according to it. The last tip that I have for you guys is to have an uploading schedule. Yes, I talk a lot about having an uploading schedule for print on demand. The same applies for the Creative Fabrica as well. The more you upload, the more you make. As simple as that. Of course, you don't need to burn out in the process. You really need to maintain the process of uploading the products. You don't need to burn out, but have a schedule around like you are uploading 10 products or 10 digital files a week. Like each and every week you're uploading the 10 products. That's okay. You can just duplicate that, or you can just maintain that frequency, maintain that scheduling stuff, and keep on uploading each and every week 10 new products into your Creative Fabrica shop. It will more likely to increase your sales, your followers, your favorites, and thereby getting and increasing your revenue and income. I keep on uploading on my shop on a weekly basis. Each and every week I keep on uploading. I have a set frequency for my shop, which I do plan ahead before that upcoming month so that I can very well prep my shop. And also you can take into consideration the holidays, the events, the festivals, and all those kind of things into your shop. You can go with the trending design ideas like the Christmas designs or Halloween or the New Year or the Thanksgiving, whatever the event look like. You could upload the products according to that as well. If you want to go with a trend, if you don't want to go with the trend and you want to upload the evergreen product, still you can go with the evergreen. But have an uploading schedule that fits your own needs, that fits your own schedule, your own routine, and just keep on doing on that schedule and maintain that frequency, maintain that consistency to increase your revenue and get them more sales. Hopefully you find today's video useful and all these tips useful. Do let me know in the comment section below. Do you want more such Creative Fabrica videos, and are you selling on that? Did you get an approval? Because many of the people commented on my videos saying that they get an approval after watching my videos and my videos were helpful to them. Thank you so much guys for your beautiful comments. I do really appreciate that the videos that I'm making are really helping you. So even if you have any further doubt, any further comment or question regarding the Creative Fabrica, do let me know in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to read that, maybe making video about it. and so on. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.